Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Valorant Error Code VAN 185, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Cloudflare WAP and then you're going to click onto this link. You're going to go ahead and download this software, and once you're done downloading and installing this software, what you're going to do is you're going to open it up. And once it's open, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto Cloudflare WARP. You're going to go into this settings icon. You're going to make sure it is set to 1.1.1.1 with WARP, and then click connect. Wait for it to connect. And now just play the game with Cloudflare WARP turned on. What this does is it's a DNS software, so it reroutes your DNS. Don't worry, it won't mess up your ping or anything. Just have it turned on and try to play your game, and you'll see that your game will work correctly. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.